elect group A. This citizen elect group A. In this row, citizen elect the group B, and similarly in this row they will elect the group B. So what will happen here? Here the majority is the group B. So group B will form the government, and the leader of that government will take decision on behalf of them. So have you noticed I have said group A and group B. What are these group A and group B? These group A and B are the political parties. What are political party? Political party are the group of people that contest election, and if they won, then they form the government, and the leader of that political party will rule. Some example of political party in our country is BJP, that Bharatiya Janata Party, Congress, Bajpa, etc. Let's understand another term, that is the parliamentary democracy. In our country, India, there is a parliamentary democracy. What is parliamentary democracy? The democracy in which the political party that won the election will form the government. So it is my topic. At last, I want to question that is democracy 100% effective in our country? No. Why? Because suppose I am the leader and I want a vote. So I will ask this girl that I am giving you money, please give me your vote. Suppose he is illiterate, sorry, I don't want to send anything. Suppose he was illiterate, so what will she do? She will take money from me and give me the vote. What will happen? I will take money from that girl and I will form the government. And what will I do? I can't do anything for themselves, for these people. I will enjoy the privilege, power that I get from this post. So I want to question you, is it right to give vote on the basis of money? On the basis of caste? Is it right to give to ruin your future like that? No. My answer is no. I just want to listen your answer. Is yes or no? Please answer me. Yes. The answer is no. At last, I want to conclude me that we should not give vote on the basis of caste, money, religion, etc. At last, I just want a humble request to all of you that please, when you become 18 and become eligible, so please do not give vote on the basis of money, caste. Please give vote only on the basis of your knowledge, because it is not necessary to become a soldier to do something for the country. By being a eligible and responsible person, you can do a lot of things for the country. Thank you very much.